Hello, this is Captain Dean Panos, Double D Charters. Today we're going to do a really short video on how to do a master reset on the new Simrad NSS4s. We have an NSS4 in our second station. That it is connected to a network, but we want to go ahead and do a complete master reset, taking it all the way back to factory settings. If you look at the manual, it tells you to do a master reset. You press the 9 button on top twice, then it tells you to go to the gear, go to general, and then go to reset. And that only does a data reset. That does not do a complete reset. And when I'm talking a complete reset, I want to go ahead and go back to the factory settings, including language and everything. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the NEMA and the Ethernet that's connected to that unit. So let's go ahead and do that. Going down in here, we have Ethernet right there and NEMA right there. So let's go ahead and disconnect that. So now the unit is only has power. So to do the master reset, we're going to hold down the power button and the waypoint button and hold it down for at least 6 to 10 seconds. Okay, now it says factory reset, software update, or remove default configuration. I'm going to go with this one up top. It says warning. I'm going to have to hit the power button 3 times. Now you see the round circle. So that means we went ahead and we reset the Simrad machine completely. You have to see that round circle in order for you to ensure that it did the master reset. So again, it was these 2 buttons right down here. Power and waypoint button, 6 to 10 seconds. Comes up with the 3 prompts, gives you the factory reset on top, and then we go ahead and hit the power button 3 times. So there we go. We are in our language phase now. So we hit here, we hit English. We're going to select the country, United States. We're going to hit next. We want to set our time zone, so we're going to go to New York time zone, which we are now in Florida. And now it's going to say set up as a standalone unit or a new boat network. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to reattach the Ethernet and the NEMA and hit join existing boat network. So we reattached our Ethernet and our NEMA down below. Now we're going to hit join existing boat network, hit next, boat network found, and we're going to hit done. We're going to say no to here and yes to the private policy, and this one up here is just help us improve. You can or say yes or no. We hit no for now, and private policy you have to hit, and we're going to hit next. It says use your device now or continue device setup. Let's say use your device now. You agree? Okay, it's bringing us to the chart. We're going to go to our setup guide. And the setup guide is going to tell you add a bunch of stuff that we need to do to the boat. So just go through the setup process like you did originally. But that is basically how you go ahead and reset your NSS4 back to factory settings. Not a data reset, but a complete master reset. Hope this helped. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and more importantly, please hit subscribe and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.